In this guide, I'll show you how to undo a reconciliation in Zoho Books quickly and safely. Start by going to the banking module on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once there, select the bank account where you want to undo a reconciliation. Choosing the correct account ensures you're working with the right transactions. Next, go to the Reconcile account page, click the gear icon at the top right corner, then select Reconcile account from the menu. You'll see a list of all past reconciliations for that account. Locate the specific reconciliation period you want to undo. Next to it, click the More button represented by 3 dots and select Undo Reconciliation. Zoho Books will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to proceed. Review the message carefully, and if everything is correct, click Proceed. And that's it, your reconciliation has been undone, allowing you to make adjustments and keep your accounts accurate and up to date. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.